Hello, hi, my name's Sam, and today we are on episode 1 of trying to solve a Rubik's Cube. This is gonna take me a while. So first I just wanna see what I can try to do. I've been trying to solve this Rubik's Cube and wow, that's really close, that's good. Oh, never mind. This is gonna take me a while. Ooh, maybe. Wait, what if I do that? Can I have another orange head, please? No, okay. No, it's not gonna work. No, what? Wait, okay. Let's see. I have no idea how to solve a Rubik's Cube. I've never even solved a Rubik's Cube in my life. This might be the first time solving this complicated thing. Crap, I dropped it. Okay, I'm back. Trying to solve let's just pretend that never happened. As I was saying, I'm trying to solve this cube. Why do I sound like I'm on TV? Hey, this is breaking news. Today, I am trying to solve this Rubik's Cube. Okay, well, I really need to get to business, though. I don't know why I did that. Do you? Probably not, because okay. Time to... Hey, I made a little thing. But it's not solved. Oh, this is gonna take me a while. I'm gonna make about 8 episodes, and if I don't solve it then, I'm gonna have to start making seasons. Why am I getting so close to the camera? That's weird. No, Mom, I want tortillas for breakfast. Okay, what am I doing? Oh gosh. If y'all have any solution, please let me know in the comments, because this is hard. Wait, how should I do that? No. Yes. Yeah. I mean, I did what I wanted to, but yes. Okay. Oh, a lot of greens over here. A lot of whites over here. Wait, that supported the green. Where's the white? I lost the white. Okay. I'm really hot, so I'm just gonna take this. Okay. I made it about here. These are the sides. This isn't good so far. Hold on, let me just make a few little touches. Yeah, didn't really do anything, but I'm all ruined over here. That's gonna be the end of today's video. So, bibbidi bobbidi, bye.